Jeep Grand Cherokee problem with transmission. After you start the car you get check engine light and the fault code is showing P0700. And what was the problem? The problem was the voltage. The voltage drop is too high, what causes this fault code, and the gearbox is going in limp mode. And we tested the battery, and the battery amps is very low. Sorry, it's approximately 450 amperes only, but they need to be 900. Voltage to solenoid valves. And where's the problem? The problem is in solder points, and you can see where's the problem. A lot of times the problem is around the solder. Around here you get a little damage place. We scratched from one side to another side around, but in this time the problem is really near to pin. Yep, that is a problem.